guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be talking about nails, because honestly I do really like to pay attention to my nails. I do my cuticle every other day, and also used to have really long nails, but unfortunately, and I knew this time would come, since I started working they also started to break. So here's why today's video is going to be a review of the Impress. Now, this is not my first time trying Impress, honestly. I've tried it in the past. When I went to the Superdrug event, they gave me one of these, and so during quarantine I got a chance to try them, and honestly I fell in love with them. I also filmed the process for you guys. It's super duper easy. So I already went ahead and cleaned my nails. They also provide you with like a cleaning pot that you can use, and then you select the exact size for your nails and you just peel the little plastic thing off and you apply them straight away. It's that easy. Super dope. I'm really impressed with how my nails look like, and these babies kind of last me for a really long time as well. Like I would say 1 week slash 2 weeks for sure. I mean, on their second week they're definitely a bit more loose, but there's nothing you can fix with a bit of like nail glue, and I am super obsessed with them. This is pretty much how I grew my nails during quarantine. I pretty much apply fake nails on top of my already existing nails just so they could get like stronger and they could just get longer without being damaging and all of that stuff. And usually I do talk about products that I like and I'm really passionate about, but I haven't talked about Impress yet, and so I thought, you know what, I might as well film a video. This video is also no way sponsored by them, but yeah, honestly, if you guys want to give them a go, you can find them at Superdrug. They're not that expensive. I think this one's around £8, and inside this packaging there are like 30 nails, so you can definitely do it more than once. You could do technically around 3 times, but most of these nails are quite big, at least for my nails, so probably I feel like inside this box you get 2 application maximum, and I'm super in love with them. I think they're also great if you have like a special occasion that you want to get ready for but you don't really have time to go to the nail salon. Also, personally, I am no way a fan of the nail salon. Like I love doing my nails by my own, and I really like to like clean my nails and do my cuticles and all this stuff and apply nail polish, but I'm not a fan of gel nail polishes. I'm not a fan of anything that you do at the nail salon, and so those are great because they do look like gel nails but they're not, so they're way healthier for your nails. I mean, that's just my opinion, but I think they are. And it also looks super cute. I'll show you the close-up look as well. I'm super obsessed, guys, honestly. So that was the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried to Impress a nail and what you think of them. For me, they're great, and definitely give them a big old thumbs up as well. And other than that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a music related one every Tuesday. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!